Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a very profitable Ichimoku trading strategy. Okay, so first you need a Genesis Matrix indicator. It's this one by FinTrade. Alright, so this is originally MT4 indicator. So the setting is default, and then you need ATR indicator. ATR stop loss finder by VeryFit, and the setting is you put 2.5 here. Okay, and change the color to white so it's easier to see. And then you need Ichimoku, okay, just the default one. Okay, and the setting is default settings, and you untick the lagging span and you change the color to green. Okay, so for buy you want the price to be above the cloud, and then you want the Genesis matrix to be all blue for the first time. Okay, so it's blue, all blue here for the first time, and the Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen has to cross down. So okay, so red above the green. So this is our buy. So your stop loss is the ATR. You can also use last swing high, swing low as your stop loss. It doesn't matter. So your target is 1 to 1.5. Okay, so it's here. And why are we buying when the Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen cross down? It's because we want to buy at the bottom. Okay, we don't want to be late. So here we have another signal. So Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen cross down. Okay, price above the cloud, and it's all blue here. Okay, for the first time it's all blue here. So you buy here, and your stop loss is the white line here. Target 1 to 1.5. So I'm gonna give you the backtest result here in a minute. Okay, 1 to 1.5. Okay, so for sell it's the opposite. The price has to be below the cloud, and you want the Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen to cross up. Okay, so the green above the red, and you want the Genesis to be all red for the first time here. So that's our signal here. So your stop loss is the ATR, so you target 1 to 1.5. All right, so here. Okay, so here we have another signal. Okay, green above the red, price below the cloud. So all red here. So your stop loss and target 1 to 1.5. Right, so if you want to see the result of the backtest, I'll give you the link down below for a full video of the backtest. Okay, so if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks.